Ever wondered how people create those magical videos of sharing a kiss with someone they miss? It's super easy, let me show you how. All you need are two photos, one of you and one of the person you want to kiss. No need to combine them yourself. The AIRepair app will handle that for you. Download the app now, link in the comments, and open it. Go straight to the photo to video feature and upload your two photos. Then, just select one of the kiss templates, no need to type anything. I highly recommend using high-quality mode for the most natural and heartwarming results. A few seconds later, your personalized kissing video will be ready. Want to try something different? The app offers tons of templates for all kinds of creative videos. What are you waiting for? Download AIRepair and make your dream video today.